The plan at the mall entrance. I need to buy an outfit and a birthday gift for my mother before dinner tonight.
Then, we need a clear plan. How much time do we have?
About 3 hours. I also need comfortable shoes.
Clothes, shoes, and a gift. That is a full shopping day.
Yes, and I do not want to spend too much.
Good. We can compare prices before you buy anything.
The clothing stores are on the second floor.
Let's start there. You need the outfit first.
I want something smart, but not too formal.
Maybe a dress with a jacket or nice trousers.
That sounds right. After that, we can look for shoes.
Great. Let's take the escalator before the mall gets crowded.
Choosing an outfit.
Hello. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. I need an outfit for a family dinner tonight.
Do you want a dress? Trousers?
Maybe trousers and a nice blouse. I want to feel comfortable.
What colors do you usually like?
I like blue, green, and simple colors.
This navy blouse is popular, and these beige trousers match it.
They look nice. Do you have the trousers in medium?
Yes, I do. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, and maybe a light jacket too.
The jacket is on sale today.
Really? That helps my budget.
The 3 pieces together look elegant but relaxed.
Perfect. I will take the blouse, the trousers, and the jacket. Finding comfortable shoes.
Hi there. Are you looking for a special style?
I need comfortable shoes for dinner, but I want them to look nice.
Flats or low heels could work well.
Low heels sound good. I will walk a lot today.
What size do you wear?
Usually a 7, but some brands feel tight.
Try this black pair. It has soft support inside.
They feel better than I expected.
Walk a few steps and see if the heel is stable.
The heel is stable and the color matches my outfit.
Great. They are also 10% off today.
Excellent. I will buy them. A break at the food court.
You found the outfit and the shoes. How do you feel?
Relieved. I only need my mother's birthday gift now.
What does she like these days?
She likes tea, books, and soft scarves.
A scarf is useful and it feels personal.
Yes, but I want a color she will wear often.
Does she wear warm colors or cool colors?
She wears cream, gray, and soft pink.
Then a soft pink scarf could be perfect.
There is a gift shop near the north exit.
Let's go there before it closes.
Good idea. After that, I am ready for dinner. The perfect gift.
Welcome. Are you shopping for yourself or for someone else?
For my mother. It is her birthday tonight.
That is lovely. What kind of gift do you have in mind?
A soft scarf, maybe in pink or cream.
This pink scarf is light, warm, and very soft.
It feels perfect. How much is it?
It is $28, and gift wrapping is free today.
That fits my budget. Do you have a small card too?
Yes. These birthday cards are $2 each.
I will take this simple one with flowers.
Would you like the scarf wrapped in pink paper or white paper?
White paper, please. It looks elegant.
Here you are. Your gift is ready.
Thank you. I found everything I needed, and I am ready for dinner.